So here is how to share with Quick Share on Samsung. To get started, you first need to drag down the control center from the top right corner. Then, just expand the control center. After that, swipe through and search for the Quick Share option. And this is what it will look like. Once you find it, tap on Quick Share. It will then open up the Quick Share interface, which will look something like this. So as you can see, you need to turn on your Bluetooth. If it's not on, just tap on Turn On and it will enable your Bluetooth and you'll be able to start using Quick Share. Now, to share any images from your gallery, just open up the gallery. Then, select whichever photo or video that you want to send. After that, tap on Share from the bottom. You will then get to view all the options available to share. And here on the bottom, the first option is Quick Share. Just tap on it and it will then open up the Quick Share interface again. And any nearby devices will be visible right over here. You can also share it using a QR code or link. And that's it. That is exactly how to share with Quick Share on Samsung.